यार लिंक कैसे हो रहा है कनेक्टिंग? अरे यार क्या है न्यू लिंक? Now check the again. This is the program that in this way you have to write. Hope the sound is clear now. Okay. Now this is the program that you have to take first input from the number and then number in this way 1 to 10, and it will run up to 10 number into any I variable you can take. If you are taking here a, then here should be multiplication with a only. If you are taking both variables should be same, and here should be a also when you are doing this. But if you are taking I, so let it be as I here for I in range 1 to 10. So what values are going to assign it to I? It is 1, then comma 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8 and 9 and up to 10. These all values are going to assign here I. इस I वेरिएबल को ये सारी वैल्यूज असाइन होंगी. देन आप क्या करोगे, नम वैल्यू जो आप एंटर इनपुट कर रहे हो यहाँ पर, stop and run again. Let's say I am putting here 4. So the multiplication of 4 will get printed. This is using the for loop. Another we have one more loop that we can use, and you can do one thing like make these program as comment here. Right. This is the way to make comment now. Now it is commented. One more loop we have. Let's say I am taking here a is equal to 1, and then while loop we have while a is greater than equal to 5. Then print something, whatever you want to print. Let's say Python I am printing here. So this condition is always, when we will check this condition with the while loop, a is 1, a is greater than equal to 5, or let's say less than, a is less than equal to 5. So value of a is 1 first, and the condition is always true. If I am going to run this program, so it will keep printing Python for me because a value is 1 and a is not increasing by any means. So see, this program is getting executed one by one, right? Is this kind of, when the condition do not becomes false, this kind of loop is called infinite loop. If I will run this program, so it will keep printing up to I have not done any interruption from the keyboard. So what can be done here? This is the example of 5 infinity loop, and what can be done here, we will give one more statement. A is equal to a plus 1 means the every time that loop will execute, let's say here, let me pop out your chat window also. If you have any question, then okay. If here now if we will execute this code, so every time, first time a, it will print Python, then the value of a will become 2, then again value of a will become 3, then value of a will become 4, and then 5. So this program here, it will print Python for a is equal to a plus 1. Okay, just hold on. Print a statement I'll write here somewhere. For each statement we are going to print it, right? And do run using the right click only. Stop and run. See, now this, see the indentation, and if I am putting here 1, 2, 3, 4, now I will execute this again. Now see, what is the difference? That means if you are writing here, the command here, it is out of this loop, so it will be again